feel a little down, a little worried when I look around. That's why my hope.
So this year at VBS, our theme is Cave Quest, and it's all about following Jesus because he's the light of the world. So anything that brings darkness into the world, Jesus is ready to shine light on it. So this year at VBS, with all these students, they're having so much fun around us, all these staff members and counselors, we're excited to show students that Jesus is the real light of the world no matter how challenging things get in their life. So we're excited about VBS this year, and I hope your students are too.
My hope is in